right there. Hands up and get up against the wall. Give me everything you have.
Hey, what are you doing there?
Oh, Spider-Man. My name is Black Cat, and cats don't fight with spiders. We just push them aside.
Easy, Catwoman. I don't want to fight.
Let me go. I warn you.
A blade?
You hear me?
Is it real?
Yes, it's very real.
Oh no, blades. I'm afraid of them.
Let me go, okay?
That's my weakness.
Ooh, that style fits you very good, Spider.
Really? Maybe you can be by my side. We'd make a perfect team.
Oh, really?
Oh, wow, Cat. I had no idea that you had such feelings. Cat! Cat! Ah! Get up! Don't worry. Everything's okay. Hey, Spider-Man! I didn't know you were here. Thank you very much.